Richie.
Hi.
What are you gonna do? What do you have?
A package.
Where did it come from?
Amazon.
Amazon. What do you think is in that box?
Halloween store things.
Halloween store things? Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
What else could it be?
A camera.
A camera?
Huh?
Guess what you think it is?
Raven.
Raven? Raven's laying on the floor. It's not Raven. And I don't think she could fit in that tiny box.
This is a tiny box.
Do you know where that box came from?
Uh-huh.
It came from Amazon, but can you guess where it came from?
From Florida.
From Florida?
Huh?
That one came super far. From far, far away in England.
England.
England. Do you know who lives in England?
Steve and Maggie.
Steve and Maggie. And who else? Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
And George.
George.
I wonder what could be in that box.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Ready? Close your eyes. What do you think's in there?
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's find out. What is it?
Rainbow.
Rain boots! You wanted rain boots so bad. And who is on these rain boots?
Joey.
Who?
Joey.
George Pig? Okay, close the box.
Oh.
Take them out of the box. Are they inside the box right now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you take them outside the box?
But I want to close my eyes first.
Okay, close your eyes again. Open the box. Yay! Can we take them out of the package? Let's look at them. Yeah. Someone made those for you. Aw, there's little George. And it says Adventure Pals. And it has, who's this?
Joey.
And who else?
Mr. Dinosaur.
Let's test them out.
I'll put them back in the package. Wait. That's the way for
Yes.
Mom, what is this?
That's just tissue paper.
Okay.
Tissue paper?
Tissue paper? For me?
It's for the boot. We don't need it anymore. No, you don't wear it on the boot, silly boy. It comes in the box.